Hello children, happy morning to you all. So in today's class we are going to write our chapter 1 question answers and frame a sentence. So this is your English classwork note. So two ruled half queer note. So I hope you have completed lesson 1 the great big turnip meanings, opposites. So in today's class, first we are going to frame a sentence. Roman number 3, frame a sentence. So in previous class also you have learned how to frame a sentence. So the first one, try. So you have to write one sentence by using this word try. I try my best. So you have to frame a sentence using this word try. Now second one, help. H-E-L-P, help. So you have to frame two sentences by using this two words. So after completing your opposites, leave one line and then start writing frame a sentence. So then you have to write question and answers. Answer the following. Now, where does the big purple turnip grow? So children, recall a story and answer. Where does the big purple turnip grow? Good. The big purple turnip grows in the garden. So remember children, the first letter should be in a capital always, and in the end you have to put full stop. Here so many words are there, so you have to leave one finger gap and write. Don't forget all those things children. So you have to write the first letter in capital. For questions you have to put question mark. For the answers you have to put full stop and you have to leave one finger gap between the words. So let us recall the first question. Where does the big purple turnip grow? The big purple turnip grows in the garden. So now second question. What did the little mouse ask to farmer? The little mouse asked if the farmer need its help to pull out the turnip. So you have to leave one finger gap. First letter should be in capital and don't forget to put full stop. Hope this question is clear to you all. Now third one. How will you take care of plants? So you all have plants in your home, right? So how will you take care of all your plants? So first we'll water our plants, right? I will water the plants. Then we'll keep our plants in the sunlight, right children? So I will keep the plants in sunlight. So here 2 points are given. So after completing 1 point, you have to write the second one in the next line. So this is the fourth question children. If you have a garden, what vegetable will you grow? So far we have seen 3 questions. So now fourth question, it's your turn. So you have to think and write. So if you have a garden, what vegetable will you grow? So you have to write, if I have a garden, I'll grow. What vegetable will you grow? You have to write the answer by yourself. So fourth question, you have to write answer by yourself children. So before that, keep your pencil erasers ready. Sharp your pencil before you write. So all these things you should keep in your mind. So I'll just show you all the things once. So the first thing is frame a sentence. First question. Second question. Third question. So fourth question, you have to write answer by your own. So by completing the fourth question, we have completed our lesson 1 classwork. So we start with meanings, opposites, frame a sentence, answer the following. So we have completed our chapter 1 classwork note. So keep your note ready, children, and write everything neatly in your note. So if you don't have your classwork note, don't worry, you can write in your rough notebook. Once you get your notes, you can complete that. So thank you all.